In this guide, we will explore the 2020 Kia Optima Fuse Box diagram and location. How can users easily locate the fuse box in the Kia Optima Hybrid? And what does the diagram reveal about the specific fuses and their functions? How does the user guide help in troubleshooting electrical issues using this diagram? Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2020 Kia Optima houses essential fuses for various electrical components, including interior lights, the instrument cluster, and power windows. It offers easy access for maintenance and replacement. The panel is clearly labeled for quick identification of each fuse's function. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2021 Ford E350 manages key vehicle functions such as the engine control, cooling system, and ABS. It is housed in a durable plastic box for protection from the elements. The fuse layout is clearly labeled, allowing for straightforward identification and replacement of fuses.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.